NG few time one.
是你 NG please. Welcome back to Six Productions Media.
Welcome back to the Six Production News. Now we are at our news studio that we're supposed to talk about.
The tables.
Yes. So now we after the tour of the red couch, the photo shoot area, the stage, the kitchen, dining area, and you guys have actually seen our swimming pool, basketball court, gym, barbecue pit, and running track. And
Now is where the magic happens.
this is where our production team, our marketing team, me myself, will be sitting around this area to work the magic for you guys.
And can you see the thing he's touching now, the table?
Okay, I must say that thank you very much to Wilson for sponsoring us the table and the chair. And if you look at this table, it doesn't look anything, but when they first approached us, right, and when they actually run through how this table works, I was very, very amazed. You see, this table they call the telescopic beam that when you move your office, see, so if you need a bigger tabletop, right, so this beam can actually extend from 1.2 meter to 1.8 meter. You see, so it kind of like save money in a way, just that maybe you need to buy the tabletop.
And extend meaning the length and not the height.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe now it's 1.2, so maybe 2 packs can sit. Then maybe 1.8, you can extend up to maybe 3 to 4 packs to sit. So you don't need to get a new table.
Yes. So what I like about this table is very neat and sleek, you know. So they even have a divider if we want to, but I think in production we don't need a divider because we will actually turn the screen around and ask each other opinion. So that's why I opt out the divider, you see. So then plus the wire is supposed to be all hidden at below that
They
you're
have
not.
very good cable management.
Yes, correct. You see, so the cables by right is supposed to run inside the beam and under the table. So that's why you're not able to see the wire running all over the table.
It's
Right.
not like every day you get people tripping over. Aiya, aiya.
Okay, Wilson have been around for almost 30 years. Alright, so I'm very impressed by their office setup, which we will show you later. We will visit their office in a bit. See, so apart from just table, they also help people to manage space. You see, so if you tell them that okay, I got how many employee in my company, right? They actually can go down, do some measurement, and actually able to manage to squeeze in how many employees you have. Quite amazing.
Impressive.
Yeah, quite amazing.
Okay.
Right. So apart from just table, right, the one that you are sitting on is also by them.
You mean the chair?
Yes, it's called the Teddy office chair. Okay, so apart from I
It's
can
a
turn right
ergonomic
around.
chair.
Okay, I can turn right around. See, so this chair is good. Is actually help you to support your back. Okay, and you can adjust the height, and even this one you can actually bring it out also if you want to. Okay, kind of like get start, so you have to use to it. Okay, so you can turn. I think yours can able to turn in, turn out.
Ah, yes. So it actually fits the contour of any users. You just have to adjust it to what you want, what you need.
See, even the bed, all right, the headrest, you can adjust according to your headrest and of course the height of the headrest, you see. So,
Yes.
so the wonderful part about this teddy chair is there's a lock and unlock button below where this tension knots they call it, right? So you can actually tighten the tension. Where you know some office chair where you actually lean back, right? The feeling is like you nearly fall back. You see, but this tension, right, you actually can adjust according to your weight because some people is skinny, some people is fit. You see, so yeah, then those who fat one, right, because the weight will suddenly you feel like falling back, right? You see, so this tension will actually able to adjust according to your weight or maybe your height. I do not know whether does that help, but it doesn't have this fall back feeling. So it have this tension that it actually, when you go back, right, you kind of able to hold your weight there. You see, so it doesn't have this, you know. So I think this is quite useful because our previous chair.
Only he has the problem. Wilson is proud to be an ISO 9001 and Be Safe certified company. So rest assured for their top-notch quality.
Yeah. Right, after saying so much, why don't we...
Head down.
Right, so now we have Wilson office, so let's check out what do they have inside. Let's go. Okay, so now we're at Wilson showroom. So look at our showroom and remember this office also have something like that. Alright, but Wilson put plants, flower, but we actually put wine. Okay, so look at our showroom. So they even have this private, I call it what, private room or private cubicle where they actually can design to have a private conference or confidential meeting inside this cubicle.
It's totally soundproof, so anyone that need to have a private Zoom meeting, conference call, they can just go into this cubicle and make the call.
Yep.
Like there's someone inside here now, but do you hear anybody talking?
No. Nope, don't have. She having a meeting inside, so actually we cannot really, we totally cannot hear her what she's saying inside. Right. So if you look at their space planning, okay, so right.
Like now everybody work from home, so companies also want to save electricity. So they have this common workspace area. But at the same time, if you want to save electricity, not everybody will come back at the office the same day, right? You just on your lights. So for example, just now there was one colleague over here, she was working. So she only on her side of the light for her workspace. And this side is just left empty. So you can save energy from these kind of small little things.
Right, so basically they actually planned the whole entire space into a workstation. And of course, those who actually come back to work, of course nowadays stay home is very common. So, but those who need to come back, right, they no need to on every lights in the office. So they just on the light at their workstation. So it's also energy saving at the same time.
On only and use what you need.
Right, correct. So if you look on my right hand side, they can actually see how they actually design a little small area for coffee session, meeting session, I don't know, that one I think
Chill
maybe
area.
I think that one is to discuss like TGIF, where can we go, you know. So let Dinah show you how the director room look like. Okay, let's go.
So welcome to the director's room. Okay, by kidding, I'm just going to show you the table. So the table is good because it's an ergonomic table. If you work too hard and you want to stand up to move yourself, this table can increase the height. Minimum is 75 cm, maximum is, let's see, can you still see me?
Almost.
Okay, let me stand up. Okay, we are at 1.2 meters high already. So, okay, obviously I'm not that tall, so let me adjust again. If you think that you have set too long, you can adjust something, adjust the height to somewhere around here, which is comfortable for me to do my job while standing up. So, I can leave the chair one side and I can continue to use my laptop here. Okay.
In terms of space saving, all right, so look at what they have here. Apart from just displaying their whatever down here, right, they also managed to have this projector screen to come down wherever they need. All right, so it's something very unusual. Okay.
Then sometimes they have meetings here. They can sit around this table over here and like you can have some impromptu meeting here.
At the back of Dinah and me, myself, right? So this is actually their workstation. So basically their workstation is whoever come back will go back to their desk or another things that I heard from them that because they're so used of moving around nowadays, right? So they even have a locker at the corner to put their stuff inside the locker, lock it up and could be like next day or the next 2 days they will not be coming back, right? You see, so the rest can actually make use of their table too at the same time. Right, so now we finish our end of the tour in this beautiful showroom of Wilson, and thank you very much for sponsoring our table and chair. Totally love it. check out their link, check out their website. Any office furniture, space planning that you guys need, please hit them out.
Wilson is the place for you.
Yeah, Wilson is the place for you to visit anytime. And just next to us, if you have happen around the corner, also can visit us at the same time too. Right, so that's the end of Reno Pomelo office tour. Please look out for us for our next episode. And like I said, if you do have others stuff that's really value for money, cheap doesn't mean no good, hit us up. We love to feature your item in our next show. Right. So, Dana, anything else to say?
Nope, nothing else, and we'll see you next time.
Yes, we will see you next time. So, yeah, 我要去吃饭了，很饿了。Goodbye.